Namaste to all dear warriors and students. Here I am with a new video relating to professional income or income from profession relating to doctor. The following is the receipts and payment account of medical practitioner Dr. Hari Prasad for the year ended 31st March 2022. So let us see the related information. सी मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर बोलो या रजिस्टर्ड मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर RMP के लिए या डॉक्टर, ओके, फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम इट विल बी प्रोफेशनल इनकम ओनली. सो वाइल डूइंग दी डॉक्टर से रिलेटेड इनकम, हाउ टू कंप्यूट, लेट अस सी. ओपनिंग बैलेंस, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस विल नॉट कम, लीव दोस. Visiting fees is a income, consultancy fees is income, sale of medicines is a income, operation theater rent is a income, okay, but interest will not come. Clinic rent is allowed as expenditure, staff salaries will be allowed as expenditure, rates and taxes will be allowed, electricity and water charges will be allowed. परचेज ऑफ मेडिकल बुक्स, इसके ऊपर 40% डिप्रिसिएशन लेना पड़ेगा. वी नीड टू टेक 40% डिप्रिसिएशन. परचेज ऑफ सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट, टेक 15% ऑन सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट. मोटर कार एक्सपेंसेस विल बी अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. मेडिकल एसोसिएशन मेंबरशिप फीस अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. ऑडिट फीस अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. स्टाफ वेलफेयर एक्सपेंसेस विल बी अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. दिवाली एक्सपेंसेस विल बी अलाउड एज एक्सपेंडिचर. Entertainment expenses will be allowed as expenditure. Medicines purchased will also be professional expenditure only. Okay, these are the things we need to consider. अच्छा, additionally क्या लेना है? Additional information, see here. Gift from patient 4,000 was given to him by patient not included in the account. So एक पेशेंट ने गिफ्ट दिया, इट इज़ ए इनकम, ओके, कंसिडर दैट. 1/4 ऑफ द मोटर कार एक्सपेंसेस रिलेट टू पर्सनल, सो 3/4 वी नीड टू टेक फॉर मोटर कार. सो वाइल टेकिंग दी मोटर कार एक्सपेंसेस वी नीड टू टेक ओनली 3/4 ऑफ 10,000, that is 7,500. Any depreciation is related to that motor car, that is also we need to consider like that only, if any. Depreciation on surgical equipment 15% they are saying. If at all they don't say also, we will take that only. Interest received on bank deposits, this comes under income from other source, already we said. So this will be income from other source, not here. This interest received is relating to income from other source, so don't take here. Next, audit fees includes income tax appeals of rupees 10,000. so पर्सनल नेचर के टैक्स से रिलेटेड है तो वो वाला इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा ऑडिट फीस में से. सी हियर ऑडिट फीस हाउ मच इट इज गिवन, 20,000, but we don't know these tax appeals relating to personal or not. See, profession से related भी tax pay करना पड़ेगा. So for that purpose it may be, so this whatever audit fees is there, that you consider full, no problem. If it is only related to personal nature, then that should be considered as personal expenditure, but here it is not so. So appeals expenses should not be deducted from the audit fees. Amma cheppu the things you need to consider. Let us see the computation format. Computation of taxable income from profession of Mr. Dr. Hari Prasad, resident, previous year 21-22, assessment year 22-23, particulars, amount, visiting fees 80,000 will come, consultancy fees 65,000, Sale of medicines 45,000. Operation theater 40,000. Gift received from client, additional information it is given 4,000. So together 80 plus 65 plus 45 plus 25 plus 4,000, 2,19,000 it is income from profession, receipts. Okay, from that we need to deduct expenses relating to profession. So let us deduct the professional expenses. Clinic rent is allowed, staff salary is allowed, rent and taxes will be allowed, electricity, water charges will be allowed, depreciation on books 14,000 into 40%, depreciation on surgical equipment 40,000 into 15% we need to take. Motor car out of 10,000, 3/4 only we need to take, 1/4 is relating to what? Personal. So 7,500. Medical association membership fees allowed. Audit fees, what that appeals are related to business itself, don't worry about it. Staff welfare expenses will be allowed. दिवाली expenses will be allowed. दिवाली के लिए एक्सपेंडिचर हर एक बिजनेस में होता है. एंटरटेनमेंट तो अलाउबल एक्सपेंडिचर है. परचेज ऑफ मेडिसिन इज ए एक्सपेंडिचर. So total expenses together is 48,100, but receipts are 2,19,000. So loss from profession 29,100. डॉक्टर बाबू का इनकम नहीं है, लॉस है, राइट. सो हियर वी एंड द आंसर रिलेटिंग टू इट. दिस वन फटाफट धनाधन करा दिए मैंने, so that this should be helpful to you all. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. लाइक करो, शेयर करो, सब तक पहुंचा दो. जय हिंद.